In this video, I'll show you how to edit category page in WooCommerce. So let's get started. So what we can do is we can click first on our products right here. Now, once you have clicked on that, you can see this option right here for categories. So click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, it will show you these categories that you have right now. So as of right now, I have this right here. So if you want to add a new category, you can name it right here. For example, let's name this flower. And let's name this vlog as summer as well. Now you can also put in here a description and also a group up, or you can also upload in here an image. So for this one, let's try to upload in here an image and select this. So I have these images right here. So let's add this one and open. Then as you can see, this will upload that. So use that image and then click on this add new category. Now, once you have done that, as you can see, we have now a new category. Now, if you want to edit that out, click on this edit option right here. And then you will be directed to this thing right here, wherein you can edit out any category that you have on your WooCommerce. So you can just choose which ones you want to edit on the categories that you have, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.